In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images side by side in Notion. This is a quick and simple process, but it can really enhance the way you present visual content on your Notion page. Whether you're using Notion for work projects, personal organization, or anything in between, knowing how to arrange images can really add a touch of professionalism and clarity to your workspace. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, to get started, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace on Notion. Open your browser and go to Notion's website. If you're not already logged in, you should see a login button right on that homepage. Click there and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. This is your central hub, filled with all your pages, databases, and any shared workspaces you may be part of. It's a great place to start organizing all your notes and projects. Now, locate and click on the page where you'd like to arrange your images. If you don't yet have a specific page in mind, you can always create a new one to follow along with these instructions and practice getting these images aligned just right. Now that you're on the chosen page, you'll want to set up the layout to place your images side by side. To do this, type the shortcut 2 columns into the body of your page. This command is incredibly useful because it will automatically create 2 distinct columns, which is where you will place your images next. Having a 2-column layout is great for organizing content side by side, making your page look clean and structured. After setting up your columns, it's time to add the images. Let's type in the next command. Image. This action will prompt you to either upload an image from your device or select one through a link. Retrieve the images you want to use and upload them into each of the columns you've just created. You can either drag images directly into the box or use the upload option to find them on your computer. Aligning images side by side like this can really beautify the appearance of your Notion workspace, making information not just more palatable, but also aesthetically aligned. And there you have it. A beautifully organized page with images sitting side by side. Hopefully, you found these steps clear and easy to follow. This simple trick can really transform the way you use Notion, making your pages not only more visually appealing, but also more effective in communicating your ideas. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more creative ways to use Notion for your projects.